Alright, so got a bunch of questions how to set this up. So to attach this, it's actually really easy. Just press down here and take this one out first. So once you snap this one out, what goes there is actually the bag. So the bag will be attached here. So put some pressure to it, and that would look like this right now, which means this part goes in the bottom. So you see the bottom portion? Yeah. So this will you have to lift this up, and then this will slide in there. So that's this part, that's to get the leaves. So we're gonna do that right now. So you see on the other side, and that's only one side of it, you will see this lock. Just tap it this way, that's gonna unlock, and this will open up. Now you can insert this. So what you're gonna do is insert it this way, so this locks in here. So that's gonna lock in right there. That's gonna lock up right there. It's gonna look like this right now. So again, that's how it's gonna look like, and then all you have to do is turn it on. The leaves will go into here. It's a small bag, so it's gonna get pretty full pretty fast. Down here below, you guys will have the zipper. So here's the zipper. Open it up later on. Make sure it's closed for now. And that's it. That's how to assemble that part. So before I even get started with the work, this part you attach when you want to blow air. And now the part I attach is to actually get leaves inside. So that's what we're gonna do first. I also want to mention that there's 3 levels to this. Well, 2 levels really, because that's off. Then you have on, and then hard. You're always gonna use the best one in there. I almost never use this one. Maybe I'm cleaning the garage a little bit, but even then I blow like the max level. So that's exactly what we're gonna do right now for these leaves. So let's just turn this on. So once you're done picking up the leaves, this does come off. It's very, very easy. Just press a button to make it off. And then down here below, there's a zipper. So you just open that up and then dump the leaves. Now, once you're done with that, you're gonna blow some leaves. You just have to take this out. So it's just unlocking this and taking this out. Then you go ahead and attach this piece. And now it becomes a blower. So right now we can go blow some leaves. So I got some leaves back here that I can blow for you guys. And that's about it. It's very simple to use. It's worked all this time. It's pretty lightweight. I like it. The only thing I don't use it that much is to pick up leaves because it has a small bag. And I'm always afraid of this breaking. The way that it picks up the leaves, it does chop them up a little bit. So let me just show you. In here, those are the blades. So I'm always afraid if a rock gets in here, it's just gonna break this. That's just what I'm afraid of. It's been years of use and still working just fine though. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can return in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.